Want to grow your SMS marketing list so that you can reach your audience wherever they are? In this video, we'll show you how to invite your email contacts to opt in to receive marketing text messages from you too, using the Automation Path Builder. To get started, click Automations, then click Create Automation. Select Use a Template and choose the Grow Your SMS List path. Next, select which email list or lists you want to trigger the automation. When any new contacts join the list, either through one of your sign-up forms or added manually by you, they'll automatically receive an email inviting them to opt into SMS messages too. Now let's create the email. From the Send an Email step in your path, click the three dots and select Edit. The email will direct contacts to your sign-up landing page in order to subscribe to your SMS list. If you don't already have an SMS-enabled landing page, click Go to Landing Page. A new tab will open so you can create it, and once it's saved and activated, you can close the tab and continue on to editing the email in your automation path. Just click Edit here. Your email can be a simple Join Our SMS List message, or you can include incentives to further encourage your contacts to opt in. Be sure to customize it with your logo and brand colors, then click on the Sign Up for Text Messages button to link it to your landing page. Click the link icon and select Landing Page from the drop-down. Here you can change the button text if you want, and then select the Sign Up landing page you created. Once you're finished editing the email, click Save and Close. Your automation path includes 2 email steps by default. You can choose to delete the second reminder email, which only sends if the contact still hasn't subscribed to SMS after the first email, or add additional email steps. Just be sure to edit the email content and include the link to your landing page in every email in the path. Check out this article to learn more about customizing your path even further with additional actions, conditional splits, and more. Once you're finished building out your automation path, click Activate. And that's it. You can see which contacts opted into SMS from your sign-up landing page reporting. Start growing your SMS marketing list today with Constant Contact.